How to verify the real CE certificated products. What CE certificate means? CE certificate refers to the basic safety requirements for products that do not endanger the safety of humans, animals, and goods, rather than the general quality requirements. Mainly used in European countries, but also applicable to some other countries. What products or materials will be required to be CE certificated by the customs shopping malls? CE certificate is required for products with electronic parts such as lightings, transformers, wires, plugs, and sockets, etc. If the customs spot checks the goods and found any declined items which are required to be CE certificated to enter the market, then related CE certificates should be submitted for custom clearance. If the customs have doubts in certificate, they will open the box for inspection. Then the inspection will be very strict, especially for chargers and clocks. If their certificate cannot match the products, goods will be handed over to the local testing agency for inspection. Not only need to pay expensive inspection fees, but also for storage fees during the inspection time, around 2 weeks normally. So how to verify the real CE certificated products? We can verify from two parts, product and the certificate. Product. First, check whether there is a CE mark on the product. Second, check whether the manufacturer's name and product model are the same as the certificate. Certificate. Step 1. Find the CE registration number or certificate number on the certificate. For example, here is a CE certificate for a charger, and its certificate registration number is AM5047049400001. The company name listed is Wuxi Deep Power Electronic Co. Limited. Step 2. Enter the report agency official website, www.certipedia.com. Enter the certificate register number. Step 3. Click search and you can see result. If the certificate information, company name and the registered address displayed is consistent with the registration information on the website, we can confirm that the CE certificate provided by the company is true.